Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on Unacademy online platform. Here I am specially connecting to all of you just for the announcement. Unacademy Prelims Practice MCQ Booklet for UPSC CSE is launched now today, and here we are providing you 10,000 plus questions for your practices. Especially here we have given an integrated approach of all the question paper, like what about the prelims question paper, those are still relevant for your coming year examinations. A part of that current updates with the static and all. So we have done all the compilation here, and here I am connecting with all of you, especially for science and technologies. Okay, even not only me, with me and all the entire teams even have given our best to prepare a booklet for all of you. It's totally based on the prelims examinations, and what are the booklets and all the compilations. Here I'll give in the brief, guys. So this video is just to inform you like what we have done in the case of MCQ booklets and how we people have brought the integrated approach to all of you regarding the science. So it's a booklet of Science and Technology UPSC CSE Prelims Examinations. It's a Prelims Practice booklet where we are providing you the 10,000 plus probable questions for UPSC CSE Prelims Examinations as a Prelims Practice booklet. And here Science and Technology based 750 plus questions are given you. So before going to start the lesson, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I have done my PhD from IIT Delhi, working as a director of Purvanchal IS at Gorakhpur, providing you the face-to-face classes here with all Delhi-based faculties. I'm taking your classes of Science Tech Environment from the last 18 years, and 1,000 plus selection already happened in civil services examinations. Two books of mine even published on the McGraw-Hill. The one is on Science and Technology and second is Environment book. Those are highly recommended to all of you for civil services examinations. My Telegram channel, you can see t.me/Ravi UPSC _Unacademy. Here I'll say to all of you, kindly connect with me, guys. Reason here, I'll share all the PDFs, and a part of this, all the video link I also share here. So all the video link I also share here. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you will get all the plus classes, a part of the iconic courses, and plus special classes I also make for all of you. This is the code, guys. During joining any course, if you use it, you will get extra 10% rebate in your fees. Unacademy is providing you the India's best educator for UPSC CSE. Those are taking your classes on live sessions. You guys know very well, like these are highly experienced faculty for civil service examination. They all are available at one platform on Unacademy under live sessions. Unacademy All India Prelims Mock Test is going to organize on 24th April. It is the offline test in Delhi, guys. If you are Delhi and nearby areas, so it's a great opportunity to come and join us, guys. And this test is going to organize in the Old Rajendra Nagar and Mukherjee Nagar. So kindly enroll now. That link is given below this video. And here you will feel same as like in the UPSC examination hall. GS paper, CSAT, all the OMA sheet, everything is same, guys, as you will. So it's a good for your practice, guys. Like what about the errors you are going to do here, and you still have around 45 days you will have. 45 days at least, so that if any corrections or improvement is required, to through the help of this analysis you can do here, guys. During joining this one, you people use a Ravi UPSC code. So launching Prelims Practice booklet is on 20th April 2022, and 10 printed booklets for 7,500 rupees. 10,000 plus expert curated the questions, previous year questions, everything even compiled together. It's a limited period offer. It is valid up to 25th April. UPSC CSE Assure, we are providing you as a great deal for all of you guys. If you are going to take a subscription for 2 years or more than 2 years subscription, so definitely you will get 1 year extra extensions regarding the courses, but the condition applies. So definitely during your preparations at every time, Unacademy will help you, guys. And during joining this courses, if you are using the Ravi UPSC code, then your fees are around 10% discount, you will get it. Unacademy Lite is a prelims test series for 2020, 22 and 2023. 55,000 plus enrollment already happened. We are the best in the rating, 4.6 out of 5. So big surprise for UPSC sprint coming soon also. It's a 6-month subscription and 12-month subscription according to your demands. You people can join it. A free and comprehensive interview guidance program for UPSC CSE 2020-21 is running now, and those people are actually going for 2020-21 interviews. So you are free for the it's a free for all the eligible aspirants. How the Science and Technology practice booklets are compiled? It is compiled under the 13 chapters or 13 units you can call. I'd like to read out the one is biotechnology, second is a health, third is a nanotechnology, fourth is a information communication technology, fifth is the space technology, sixth one is a defense, including the exercises. Defense exercises means like Army, Navy, Air Force. Energy, including the nuclear energy, government schemes and policies, recent developments. Miscellaneous awards and institutions, the physics, chemistry, and biology. So these are the total 13 chapters, yeah, 13 subjects. Yeah, overall you can say units. This is given in this booklet with 750 plus questions. So in this case is the 750 plus topic wise questions on the science and technology we just made for all of you. And here I just have given you a direction like how we have to prepare. And here one of the chapter I'll take, and rest of the other chapter I'll show you just how to prepare it. 3-4 chapter I brought here with the question papers, analysis, and then you will understand actually what is given in the booklet that I'm informing you here. Just like a question of health related, like consider the following statement regarding the pneumonia vaccines. You just see the one questions. Consider the following statement regarding the pneumonia vaccines. 1. India recently unveiled the first indigenously developed pneumococcal vaccine called Pneumosil. And the second one, Pneumosil was developed through the collaboration with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundations. So in this statement, which statement is oblique are correct? 1, 2 only, both 1 and 2, another one not 2. Okay, here I'll tell you guys only one question. I'll tell you here in the brief, in the detail, guys. Here you will get the at the last after 6 question I just given you. See the answer C. Here the question number 1, the answer is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. 4 African and Asian countries, India, Nigeria, Democratic Republic of Congo, and Pakistan, account for almost 50% of world's annual pneumococcal child deaths. Even here, India accounts for 20% of pneumococcal deaths worldwide. So India has a good and even a lot of the percentage of pneumococcal deaths. And here, this is the first as a introduction about the pneumococcal diseases, pneumonia diseases. How statement 1 is correct? The Serum Institute of India recently launched the Pneumosil as a vaccine. It is the first indigenously developed pneumococcal vaccine. Till now, India was using the pneumococcal conjugate vaccines. Pneumococcal conjugate vaccine was the question also in UPSC Prelims 2020. 19 and 20 UPSC also asked these questions. To curb the pneumonia, the PCV eats almost 50% of the budget assigned for the universal immunization program. So ultimately, the statement 1 is right. Statement 2, Pneumosil was developed through the collaboration with the PATH organizations and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundations. The Drugs Controller General of India has approved the Pneumosils. So it's the second 2 is also right. Additional information, what is a PATH? So here I just brought information like PATH can be also a questions. Is an innovative health institute started in the 1977 by 3 courageous researchers. It is a non-profit organization. It's a kind of NGO type that aims to deliver the resources, expertise, and innovations to private industry to improve health for all. So this is a here in this case. So ultimately, when you go back towards the questions, you will understand like how properly we our teams have given the proper analysis of the questions. If you people even miss this topic in your preparations, so definitely through the help of the answer discussions, analysis, it will help you to build up your concept regarding the pneumonia vaccines. Similar type of things we have to follow in each and every question. Just like a second questions with respect to the multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children, MSC, which of the following statement is oblique are correct? It is a hyperinflammatory condition in children and adolescents. Vomiting, diarrhea, neck pain, rashes, and bloodshot eyes are symptoms of this syndromes. Which above the are correct? Same thing. What is a Candida aureus recently seen in the news? Consider the following statement with the respect of IU 64. Which of the following are essential factor for the blood coagulation in humans? And with respect to the WHO certification scheme for the drugs, consider the following statements. So these all are the question, guys, that we have to just a demo type of some questions I just brought it, and here all the answers you can get it. Like the second questions as proper, the answer is written there. Third question, the answer is written there. The fourth question answer is properly. IU 64 is written there. I use additional information. We also brought it like through the help of the additional information. You can also prepare this topic well, guys. And these all are in the news also in the recent past. Question number 5 here, the D option, that again we have to broaden all the 13 blood clotting factors I also mentioned here. And the question number 6 here, WHO wala question, that certificate schemes that you can see here, guys. Properly everything defined in the proper way. Okay, so I hope you understood how this booklet even compiled with all the 10,000 plus questions. And see, one thing I'll tell you in this beginning that is very, very important. In this booklet, what we have followed. See, one thing, guys, the basic of questions. Okay, plus, it's applied. Applied means it's the application wala part. Okay, basic may we have to discuss, we have tried to give you about the static questions and plus current updates also. And not only current updates, plus even social schemes and programs we also try to cover here. social schemes and programs we also try to cover here. So ultimately, what about the UPSC demand as an integrated approach? I told you in the beginning, guys, everything is smartly as UPSC asks you in your paper. Similarly, we even made this booklet for all of you for the test papers, even for the practice papers. Now the question is on space basis, guys. Similarly, the same thing in the case of space. Just few questions I brought it, and in the last I have again the answer analysis. You can see, guys, consider the following statement regarding the European Southern Observatory, very large telescope. The heavenly harmony, which was the news recently, is the term NGTS 4B is related to stay over the same location on the Earth geostationary satellite are placed nearly above the. Consider the following statement regarding the dark matter. Consider the following statement about the IRNSS, and consider the following pairs about the navigation system and the countries. So it's a question 7 question, again the same as like to the first chapter that you have seen in the case of health. Similar we brought here, and accordingly we have given all the lessons properly, guys. If extra option, extra knowledge is required, we also develop for all of you guys. Okay, additional information like a communication satellite is required, so we brought it here, guys. In this way we have done all the compilation for all of you. It's just like a second chapter. Same thing in the case of third chapter, I just brought as a demo type energy including the nuclear technology. Again here the question with reference to ocean energy, considering following statements. Which of the following elements are used in the making the solar cells? Which of the following statement is correct about the third assembly of International Solar Alliance? Fourth question about the regarding the biochar, which statement is right, and regarding Madras Atomic Power Station, which statement is correct here. Again the same type of question you will get it, 5 questions here, again the same analysis here. Again I repeat, guys, this PDF is on my Telegram group. You people can go and directly download it. Definitely when line by line you will read the analysis, so you will feel very comfortable as what Unacademy has done for all of you. Okay, so this is all the analysis, proper analysis is given there, and all the 5 questions are given here. Now the recent development. Recent development means somehow it is connecting with the current affairs. As I told you guys, all the integration is there, integrated approach we have to follow, and here in this booklet we try to give you even the current updates also. So here the question is from the DG box, recently in the news. What is it? Which of the following is the part of the flower in the biological sciences? Like consider the following statement with respect to the immunization agenda 2030. Consider the following statement regarding the system of air quality and weather forecasting and the research suffer. And next generation sequencing is what institute across the India is offering the news refers to. So these are the 5 questions. These are the 5 questions as I brought here regarding the current updates. And in that way, guys, again have the same answers of all the questions. Additional information if it is necessary regarding the discussion and all, so we also brought for all of you. So additional information, many places you will get it a part of the answer, guys. So it is the entire booklet, and the 4th chapter I just brought it here. Similar type of information you will get in all the 13 chapters, those I told you in the beginning. 750 plus question with proper and detailed analysis of the answer, guys. Not like that only A or B, a 1 line or 2 line statement. No, proper discussion of the statements. So in that way, through the help of booklet, you can prepare 10,000 plus questions as far UPSC examination. This is the Telegram channel, t.me/Ravi UPSC_Unacademy. Here you will connect for the PDFs. And a part of my all the video links. It's a one single solution for all of you. Unacademy profile is my Unacademy profile, where you can find my all the classes of plus and iconic subscriptions. Unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. My code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any course, if you use it, you will get extra 10% fees discount. Iconic subscription is the best subscription for all of you, as I'll suggest to all of you guys. Here you will get the mentorship. A tutor will connect with you regarding your all the preparations. We are providing you the question answer practices, live sessions. A tutor will come and connect with you regarding your doubts and queries, study planning, how to do, what to do. This kind of help through the help of mentor you can also access. An open house with educators, you will also get the opportunity to connect with the educators. So ultimately, Iconic subscription is the best one, even more than better than the plus subscription. I will advise to everyone, guys. Unacademy subscription for the plus and Iconic subscription we are providing you, and according to anything whatever you require, you can go ahead and see a 10% extra fees rebate. You will get it whenever you use a Ravi UPSC code. Either you are using general studies or optional courses. UPSC CSE Combat for CSAT special is on 24th April 2022 at 11 AM, guys. Here we are providing you the 50 questions, 60 minutes you have to complete. And here the scholarship from a pool of rupees 4 crore rupees. It's a great opportunity to all of you guys. It's a live test, so stay tuned with all the heroes of Unacademy, especially for CSAT. That all the heroes you know very well, guys. Those are literally have done the great jobs. Those you can see on the screen, the smile face also. And here you people enroll now with the Ravi UPSC code regarding this test. And yes, Unacademy is providing you the loan facilities at 0% EMIs. If anybody have a financial crunch, so Unacademy is also supporting you in the 0% EMIs loan facilities. My both two subject courses are running right now. The one is on Science and Tech and second is on Environment. Regarding these courses, you will connect with me or the plus courses, iconic courses. And this is the enrollment code Ravi UPSC. You use it, guys. UPSC CSE batches are going to start now from the 20th April 2022. Here we are providing you the 20 GS booklets. And yes, even these courses are for 2022 as a crash course type. 23 bilingual English and Hindi. In all medium, the classes are running now. So why choose Unacademy to take IAS? You can find out the best rating for Unacademy as the best in the class educators, best in the class learner ratings, best in the class test rating, learners enroll in the test. And a part of this, guys, Unacademy is also providing you various printed comprehensive notes, interview guidance, daily answer practices, and a part of this, guys, live mentorship. So in that way, we are providing you a lot of help for your preparations, guys. Stay tuned with the Unacademy. And yes, at the last, I'll tell you guys, kindly subscribe the channels, like and share this video, and download this video given the Telegram group. Those I told you guys. So thank you everyone to giving me attention, and meet you soon in the next class again with some new other topics. So God bless you.